Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday means Friday freebie. Yes, free printable for you guys to download for free. As absolutely my treat is a free printable for any sort of paper craft project, for your junk journal, your card making, or any sort of scrapbooking, any projects that you guys want to make. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. On Wednesday we made these super cute butterflies. It's the same technique with the origami, but you get 5 different versions. So you get a jeweled butterfly. I just simply put a little dangle in there. You get a double butterfly when I simply layered with a die cut butterfly I made a while ago with the washi tape. And then a jeweled butterfly, I just put a gold button in there. I think it works really well with the papers. And then there is a paperclip butterfly. So again, if you put it on your page, it's simply, where is it? It's simply clicked on it, and that it works as an embellishment paperclip or as a bookmark. And then a normal simple butterfly. So this was my prototype. So on Wednesday videos, I will put the video at the end, I show you this was a kind of like a remake of the original video I made last year, I guess. But on that video, on the original video, I was slightly off camera, so lots of step-by-steps weren't filmed properly. Apologize. So I had a few comments from lovely ladies that said to remake them. So there we go, done. And today the freebie is basically designed from those papers. But before I show you the freebie, let me show you the papers first. Okay, so guys, this is the kit. It's called Autumn Shabby, or Shabby Autumn, either way, I can't remember. It's a mini kit, so it's a set of 4 pages, £1.50, super cheap. And what I was thinking when I was designing this kit, I wanted to create, I'm not entirely sure what color you actually see on camera, but the color palette I picked for this mini kit, it's basically a combination of brown, beige and greens. So there is olive green, there is a little dark green, there is a pale green, there is more like a damask green. So it's a combination of that with the brown and the beige, with a little hint of red, more than red to be fair, and more like a pink. And I use the same palette throughout the pages. So this is page number 1. This is page number 2. So on here you could probably see, guys, the greens are standing up because it's shabby chic. The real original French shabby, it's a combination of pastel colors with floral. So, but also you've got different texture. So I basically layer this, and on here you could probably see like a geometric motif. Looks like this was part of an architectural building, so I just cut it and layer them. And then on here you got again all your beige and your pink. This one here is probably my favorite page of the kit. So where you got this, again, this baroque curve from an architectural picture, and then all the flowers. And then on top of that I added some more like, not doodling, but more like a geometric flowers, if it makes sense. And on the bottom here you got some lace. So again, lace, this really nice baroque, is very shabby. And then the last page is this one, when I got these flowers on a wood background. So you can probably see the wood filigranes in there. Yeah, see there. So it's a really nice subtle pastel-y kit for some of you guys that I love dramatic contrast. I love things that very bright, very clashy. This is more settled, hence why it's got that shabby feel. Not something that I would design and print for myself, but I know there is a lot of you that like shabby, so yeah, this kit is for you. So yeah, that's what you get for free today. Is again same shabby, love. You've got some lovely flowers in there, and I'm not sure if you can, yeah, probably you can see the little marks from the wood as a texture on the background. So when you print it off, it's probably always better than what you see on camera, but yeah, better. Love it. And I'm sure you guys, for all you shabby chic lover, you're gonna enjoy playing with this freebie. How do you get this? This freebie gets sent every Friday 9 p.m. British time on my newsletter, and I will put what the newsletter looks like here on the left hand side. I send 1 email a week. I'm not here to spam anybody. Spamming is not kind, and also, guys, I haven't got time to sit down and spam you with loads of emails. So it's 1 email a week, and on each email you get my videos recap for the week, the kit of the week, there is some papers, there are some freebie, there is always a freebie attached. Sometimes there is a cheeky discount code, but don't say that to anybody. No, honestly guys, it's really worth subscribing, and it's free, and you get some catching up from me. Also, because this freebie gets sent out at 9 p.m, by the time you watch this video, the email would have gone out already, but don't worry, you can still get this page on my Facebook group. So simply, and I'll show you in just a second how to get it. So go to my Facebook group and then click on files, and you'll be able to download all the paper. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group, so feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Today, big shout out goes to the lovely Stephanie, and I will put Stephanie's comment on the screen now. And Stephanie kindly and so nicely say that I am the reason why Stephanie loves Friday. Well, thank you guys, but you are the reason why I do what I do, because your comments, your likes, your subscription, you sharing my videos to your crafty friends, it means the world to me, and it's so grateful. And I'm so lucky when I read comments like this, because it makes what I do like a pure work of joy. So thank you from the bottom of my heart to every single one of you guys for the continuous love and support. But before we go, I'm going to leave you with the usual quote. This is 365 Days of Calm. And today's quote is quote number 11. I am thankful for this day. Every day you need to be thankful for, because every day you won't have the same day back. So be thankful for the day. Okay guys, I hope you like this freebie. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube and support me to create more free printables. Guys, do you want some more ideas and inspirations? If the answer is yes, I will put a couple of links here on the screen where we made some more embellishments for junk journals. So feel free to go and check them out. Have a wonderful weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Bye.